So welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back, everyone. Another lecture in the production management. And today we are going to talk about a new topic in production management, the new trends in the whole world, recent trends in operation management. Recent trends means what is going nowadays in this topic. What is going nowadays in the topic or the recent trend in the operation management. So what is the recent trend in the globalization? The first thing is global marketplace. Today, the world is going to be like a small village, is already like a small village. So who produce, just don't think about produce locally, but think about expansion in the globe. So the techniques of production and operations are changed now. So global business has compelled many manufacturing firms to have operations in many countries where they have certain economic advantages. This has resulted in a steep increase in the level of competition among manufacturing firms throughout the world. Operation strategy. More and more firms are recognizing the importance of operation strategies for the overall success of their business and the necessity of relating to their overall business strategy. Total quality management approach has been adopted by many firms to achieve customer satisfaction by a never-ending quest of improving the quality of goods and services. We have also flexibility, and the flexibility means the flexibility also those. So we care about the total quality management. We care about the operation strategy. What the operation strategy? More and more firms are recognizing the importance of operation strategy for the overall success of the business. Total quality management. Total quality management has been adopted by many firms to achieve customer satisfaction by a never-ending quest of improving the quality. So it's a philosophy of continuous improvement for the quality. It's a philosophy for improvement or continuous improvement for the quality. Flexibility, the ability to adapt quickly to change on the volume of demand in the product mix, demand, and product design, or in delivery schedules, has become a major competitive strategy. So the world now is moving to a flexibility in the production, its ways, and so on. So this is sometimes called agile manufacturing. Time reduction. So don't forget about the word agile manufacturing. Time reduction in manufacturing cycle time and speed to market for new products provides product at the price and the quality. Quicker delivery for the product and services is also one of the topics of nowadays. So we talk again today, the new trends, the recent trends in operation management. What are the recent trends in operation management? Global marketplace, operation strategies, total quality management, like here, flexibility, and the reduction, also the reduction of time, and focus on the services and the stuff, also operation management responsibility for planning and so on. Also, we have flexibility and time reduction for the production itself, time reduction for the production technique. Okay, here we go to another slide and we will see what's here among, let's enlarge it first so that you guys can see properly what's written here. Among the functional areas of management, operation management considered as crucial. Operation system models comprises of input system, conversion system, and output system. Operation management consists of scheduling work. Look at this, work schedules, assigning resources, including people, equipment, managing inventory, assessing quality standards, process type decisions, and the sequence of making individuals, and so on. Operation managers are required to make a series of decisions in production function. They plan, organize, direct, and control all the activities. At each level, operating managers are expected to make decisions and implement them too. The decisions done by the operation management about the activities of production system tend to fall into three categories: strategic, operating, and control decision. So we have those strategic decisions, operating decision, and control decision. Operation management responsible for planning, controlling, staffing, organizing, and so all the other jobs. Let us see here. This is different between goods and services. So here are the goods, and here are the services. So the goods are tangible, while the services are intangible. The goods like the mail service, this is tangible, but here intangible, like the health services. The goods like the library service, but the intangible goods like the legal advice. Well, also one of the tangible goods or services is the wholesale or retail distribution, but marriage consultancy is like intangible services. So this gives me also some examples about the goods and services and the difference between the goods and services. We'll move forward now to some part which is very important. We call it the, here we go. Let us go to it again. These are the characteristics of production or characteristics of production system. So we have here the specialization. First of all, the specialization. Characteristics of manufacturing or production system. Characteristics of manufacturing or production system. We have the first thing, the specialization. Specialization. Let me just enlarge it to be like this in front of us so we can see it properly. So here we go for the first slide. We say the first thing is specialization. When we talk about characteristics of production, the first thing is specialization, because everyone will be specialized in one part of the work, specialization. The result of the specialization will be low cost and improve the quality. So the time the worker will spend doing the work will be reduced, and at the same time that will improve the quality. At management level, the efforts are divided into various special functions such as research and development, design, engineering, finance, and so on, purchase, personnel, maintenance. The mechanization of this work, mechanization replaces human labor by machine power, because mechanization from mechanics. So one of the characteristics of the production, like specialization, mechanization. Mechanization means that I'm using the machines instead of the people. The human skills is transferred to machine tools, which carry out various manufacturing operations. Advanced form of mechanization is known as automation. So we know it with the word automation. And like now it's even evoluted into the mechatronics. Use of technology of industrial engineering. This is the third aspect of the characteristics of production or manufacturing. Characteristics of manufacturing. Use of technology of industrial engineering. Industrial engineering have been able to devise improvements and to increase the productivity by eliminating the waste and efficiency, thereby increasing production and reducing cost. So here, the technology which is used in production is aiming at reducing the waste. We try to reduce the waste and efficient product, moving into efficient product. Use of computers and data, of course, also, this is one of the aspects of nowadays. Nowadays, you find like mechatronics, you don't find any people are working on anything, but you find also always the machines and programs, Use of scientific method, industrial engineering, operations, research to management science involves quantitative methods and techniques to solve both engineering and managerial problems. Operational research is an aid in decision-making based on quantitative analysis. So those are we always use the mathematic and the quantitative method. So today I will stop here and I will ask you about the recent trends in operation management. Question 4 today, or the fourth question, or the first, you'll consider the first question today actually, but I will give it number here, number 4. 4, what is the new trends in production management? What is the new trend in production management? This is a question of today. The first question, Control and C. And the second question will be, what are the characteristics of manufacturing? 5, what are the characteristics of manufacturing? What are the characteristics of manufacturing? This is the second question here. So the first question here is, what is the new trends in production management? And this is the first question here. Second question is, what are the characteristics of manufacturing? This is the second. So I have two questions here right now. New trends in production management, and what are the characteristics of manufacturing? What are the characteristics of manufacturing? So I have those two questions, and that's it. Please answer those two questions, and I will leave here like around 5 minutes for getting your answer, guys. Thank you so much.